welcome back. It's me, Jordan. Welcome back to another Happy Wheels video. So, the last Happy Wheels video, I was filming at my cousin's house. His name is NinoTube, and that I thought it was going on to my channel, but it went on to his. So, let's just look at that. Go. There we go. No. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. No, my thing. Got it. I don't care about this. This happens one more time. Okay. Now, let me play, please. Yes. What? Die? No. This. And my arm from the depth one, so yeah, I died too. Was it a laser? Oh my god. You suck. I think I know that. I know that's unfair. What? Why? Oh no, that was good. Oh, I thought that was die. I was gonna say, what the? Did I? Yeah, more balls. Not like. Oh, so the laser is the win. I hate this right now. Why did I just push T? What? Oh, phew. Wait, laser is the win right now? If the map creator is watching this video, please. What is this? Oh my god, my ears are breaking right now. Yeah, exit to menu. Pogo fight. Okay, I think he can beat it. Probably not because oh no. What? I think I was supposed to kill the babies and that guy with the katana, and then the lady who was about to kill herself before killing myself. But I thought I'd live longer than the babies, but probably not. But no, not. Blast off! Up, and away! Die. No. Baby. No. Oh, I just did this. Okay, two in a row. No. Wait, am I supposed to balance on there? Yeah, I'm just gonna balance. But that was so cool. I just killed the guy, and he flung the katana back. I didn't hit myself at all. I'm still alive. The baby saved my fall. Yes, did it. I said yes, and then yes, I died too. I have good luck. Oh my god. Score. I hate both of them, but I should cut. I don't think this pogo guy has enough I don't think this pogo guy, since he's using a pogo instead of a car, or at least a bike, this guy needs to buy brain cells. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my god. Oh. Now I feel so bad for that guy. The only one who I don't feel bad for is just the old man. Oh. He didn't even die. What? What? Oh no. 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 What? These are nuts. I didn't even read that. Wait, this person can speak. No. No, I just trapped my. Did I do it? I lost. I'm too tired now. I'm just gonna sit on this. God, just let me. Oh my god. Fatty McGee. Oh, I didn't mean that. Oh, I quit. Let's see about this one. Die simulator. Yep. Probably am gonna die in it, so I'm not that scared. I already. Wait, Santa. Ooh. Oh. Just let me out. What? Yeah, no, I don't like this. Whoever created this, make a new map, because, no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Just, please. That was like 2-second thing. It was not 2 seconds for you to die, but there was not that big of thing. There wasn't so much about it. So, WWE Moonsault News. Am I supposed to say bye? Oh my god, let me get. Oh my god. Is this guy okay? This guy is like. Which? No, I'm not doing it. I ain't doing that. Rainbow sword throw. Oh, I want to do that next. No, not the tiny balls. Okay, I can do the big ones like the soccer ball one before. But, no. You know what? I'm just going to make one. Missed. What? The balls didn't come. That's unfair. It's really unfair. What? Give me more. Oh. Wait, can this lift me up? I need to try that again. No, Now this map creator, pretty cool. I see you. Yeah. I'm gonna end this video there. No. Oh my god. This guy's body is gonna come. What? I won. Wait. No. I'm done. See you next episode. Bye.